So I'm bringing you today an apartment here in the bairro de Estrela. And this apartment is a corner building, first floor, T2, 2 bathrooms, that is located here on the very beginning of Casal de Estrela. As you can see, up there is the metro station, so you're pretty close to the metro station, and this is the building in question. Let me show you. This is the floor that's going to be available for renting. As you can see, there's lots of light from all of these windows, and also this side. So let's go and show you the building. So we are walking to the main entrance. So this is the main entrance of the building. As you can see, this is a traditional building, Portuguese building with the traditional tiles. Has a lot of characteristics of the old buildings here on Bairro de Estrela. So I'm just going to walk in. By the way, this is the first floor. This is the entrance. Let me see the light. Here you are, the entrance. You have your mailbox. You have enough space if you want to leave some things here. Let's go up the stairs. Here we go. So just here we are. This is the very entrance of the apartment, as you can see. This is the entrance. This door up here is where you have the meters and all that good stuff. It's outside, so no one needs to bother you when they see it. Now, something about this apartment is the fact that we just received the apartment. So the landlord just got the keys to the apartment. So you will notice that it still needs some fixes and it's still dirty. But we know that a lot of people are looking for apartments in Lisbon, so we just wanted to put it out there right away. So let me walk you through the divisions of the apartment. So this is the hall. So as you enter the house, you have this beautiful here entrance with a lot of light. As you can see, immediately you have light from outside. This is a fantastic space for storage. If you have a bike, etc., or a scooter, you have plenty of space. You start seeing the beautiful details from the old apartments in Lisbon. And just next to it, you have what I would call a tiny office or possibly a storage room. Shelves can definitely be redone and get more space, but just to give you a sense of the space, it's a pretty decent sized space. You could even put a little desk and have a little view of the street. As I've mentioned before, we just got the keys of this apartment, so you will notice that it is a little bit dirty because we didn't have time to get someone to clean it. And you'll notice it has some things to fix. Obviously, this will be fixed. Obviously, it will be repainted, but let's keep going. So this is the two doors that give you access to the living room. And the living room is by far, it's just absolutely gorgeous. I'm just on one corner of the living room. I'm just slowly giving you a sense of the space. It's a really good sized space. Has beautiful details. As you can see around, you can see here the tram going by. Beautiful views. By the way, that is a superb Greek restaurant that is pretty trendy and pretty awesome. So here, you can see the beautiful details, the ceiling. It's just a beautiful old style Portuguese apartment. Again, we just received the keys for this apartment, so it definitely needs some cleaning. It needs to be repainted, so it gets its beautiful shine back. All these little things, like previous attendant had stuff on the walls that's going to be removed, repatched, so it looks all beautiful again. So again, here is the main living space, and it's just absolutely beautiful. So much light, so beautiful views of Calçada da Estrela. By the way, the metro station is here goes a tuk-tuk. Just the metro station is just going to open in a couple of months, or I don't know if it's still 1 year up there. So from the living room, what do you have next? So you have 2 entries. So we came from there. There's going to give you access to the second bedroom, a storage unit, the kitchen, and a little half bathroom. So from here, you have 2 main doors, and it gives you access to the bedroom. This is the biggest bedroom in the house, as you can see. Also has an access door to the kind of entry hall to the kitchen and the bathroom. Here you have a lot of light. You have a balcony and you have a window. These 2 windows have been updated, so these are newer windows. The other windows are wood that we are assessing what can we do with them in terms of improving acoustics and temperature in the space. So as you can see, a beautiful space with all the beautiful details on the ceiling as well. I'm going to give you a sense from the other corner how this bedroom looks like. Just amazing light, beautiful light. That will be the mainest remark. And now I'm going to take you to the other spots of this house through this entry. Okay, let's explore the rest of this apartment. So again, living room, bedroom, entrance hall, and now I'm going to this corridor that gives you access to the rest of the house. So I'm holding here a flashlight because, again, we just got this apartment back. The landlord just got it back, and electricity hasn't changed to his name yet, so unfortunately we don't have lights. But anyway, I wanted to make sure I showed you the rest of the apartment. So this is the second bedroom. It's just enclosed to the main. You can see it has a little light there. It's an interior bedroom. Let me go to this corner so you get a sense of how big the space is. It's a smaller room, but still you could fit a couple's bedroom here. And you wouldn't need to stuff this room with furniture, honestly, because just forward you have this smaller room here, also an interior room. So again, you're coming from the living room. This is the second bedroom, and then you have this smaller room here that it could double as, I mean, honestly, you could have a single bedroom here if you wanted for guests, or you could make it a tiny office room, or you could even do kind of a walk-in closet just for logistics because it's close to all the bedrooms. So I'm in one corner, here we are, and this is the room. This is what I would call a tiny room, could double as privacy office room or a walk-in closet. Okay, let's go into the bathroom. So sorry again, we don't have light yet, but anyway, I wanted to show you. This is the bathroom, full bathroom. Here you have the toilet, you can see there the bathroom. Again, disclosure, we just got the apartment from the tenant, and unfortunately, this is the sad things for landlords is you return it and it's just dirty. It's unacceptable, but anyway, it happens. But of course, this will be completely clean, completely fixed, everything that needs fixing, so it looks again lovely. But here you go, it gives you a sense of what's in here. Pretty comfortable toilet seat, full bathtub with a shower, little cabinet of storage. Could probably put even more storage if you need it in this space. Just to show you, here the ceiling is wood in these spaces. I haven't shown it's wood, the bedroom as well. Then in this little corner between the small room, there's like a technical area, let's call it that way. It has an outlet there, so could host, I don't know, storage. Could be a pantry, which comes handy because the kitchen is just in here. Yeah, it is dark again. The electricity wasn't connected yet. Please disregard the fact that it's quite dirty. But again, we got it from the tenant and unfortunately he didn't clean anything. So it is what it is. So this is the kitchen. As you can see, this is the space that hosted the dishwasher and the washer for the clothes. It has there the connections for both of them. I think the previous tenant probably had the fridge here, but honestly, you could even put the fridge in that corner and save some space. Or even in this corner. This is the sink with some additional storage on top. Again, storage on top. This is the very traditional Portuguese when they had a chimney and used this space. It has an oven, a cooker, an exhauster for taking all the air out. And now to this little corner, you have a big window, but unfortunately the view here is not very nice. It just gives you the view to the building in front. But again, it is a place where you get a little bit of natural light. This is where the double bathroom is. Again, disregard the fact that it's a little dirty and with some stuff. This will all be clean and fixed so it can be properly used. So this is the sink. And in this corner, you have the other bathroom. Again, it's going to be all clean, fixed. Whatever needs replacing will be replaced. So it's absolutely ready to use. Just to give you a sense, this is. So I'm in the half bathroom here with the sink. Again, disregard the dirty. It will be all clean up and fixed. The half bathroom. I'm in the corner of the kitchen just to give you a sense of the space you have here. And just gonna walk back so you get the sense of the full house. This is the space that could be a pantry. This is the tiny room that could be either an office or a closet room. Here you have the full bathroom. Here you have the second bedroom. Here is the gorgeous, absolutely amazing light, as you can see. Now I'm recording this video is around almost 9, so you can see the beautiful light that you get here. Again, let me just walk you through all the spaces. This is the main master, let's call it master bedroom. There goes the tram. And there is going to be the entry hall. Show you some of the benefits of living in the Bairro da Estrela in Lisbon. So let's start to show you one of the biggest perks of living in the Bairro da Estrela, which is the access to this amazing park that is called Jardim da Estrela. And as well, you have beautiful monuments, like as you can see behind me, the Basilica of Estrela. And as well, the beautiful trams that cross all the time here. You can take the tram 28 and you have a wonderful view of the city. So here we are, we're just walking here on the streets. The apartment is literally 2 minutes from here. You just get out and you're basically in Jardim da Estrela. Another very good thing that's happening right here is the fact that they are building a new metro station here in Estrela. That's projected, if I'm not wrong, for 2024. And that's gonna give you a fantastic access to the whole of the city. So you just pop in the metro and you pretty much can go anywhere in Lisbon. So here we are. That's where the metro station is gonna open. If I'm not wrong, the target date is 2024. There is the construction site, and just behind me you'll have the Jardim da Estrela, and back there the Basilica da Estrela. So pretty awesome location. Is gonna be incredible when we have the metro station where you can basically just pop anywhere in the city in no time and even come from the airport directly to here using the metro. Absolutely full of potential and a fantastic location if you're just moving to Portugal and you want a really central location in Lisbon so you can figure out where actually you want to live. This is a great place to stay. This is a great place to be. The building itself, where the apartment is available, is a family building. It's mainly families that live there. Everyone knows each other. So you have also that element of safety and security. You feel that you're in a cozy neighborhood.